Hello, you are welcome to another information time. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the new emerging tech startups that will change the way we think, the way we work, the way we see and solve our problems. These will make us begin a new journey of tech life in a soothing and easy way. Some of these new tech startups are
YouTubers, visual content creators, vloggers, you know how important to have dynamic shots on a video. Meet the world's first tabletop dolly that you can make route planning with image processing technology easy and fast. We worked on different scenarios to fulfill your needs. Trexo wheels can perform linear and circular movements without using a mobile device. Only thing you need is to teach the route you want to perform. And also with long dolly in-out shots, you can take advantage of the shadow depth of field for amazing visuals. With the help of the intuitive iOS and Android applications, it's easy to control the Trexo wheels. Application connects instantly when you unfold the Trexo wheels. With the turntable kit, you can use Trexo wheels as a product turntable for 360 photography and videos. Sometimes we need complicated camera movements for multi-scene shots. That's why we developed the camera path mode, which uses image processing technology for sophisticated paths. With Loop feature, Trexo wheels is a great solution for interviews, B-roll, or any other static shots. Just set it and forget it for perfect cinematic movement. Sometimes we need several takes to make it perfect. If you need to repeat the movement, use the buttons on the Trexo wheels or the smartphone app to take it to initial position and repeat movement as much as you want. With single tap, you can convert a movement to a time-lapse, just a few parameters, and you're good to go without any annoying calculations.
Great memories don't just happen during the day. But how can you capture those precious moments at night in full color 2K? Introducing Duovox-mate-pro, the world's most advanced AI-powered night vision camera. Equipped with Sony's groundbreaking Bionic Starvis 2 night vision sensor, Duovox-mate-pro captures night as if it were day. Shoot real-time video with unparalleled clarity in true color 2K and 30 frames per second with 1,000 times less light than is possible with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Duovox-mate-pro leaves all other night mode cameras in the dust. Now anyone can become a professional nighttime filmmaker without the need of expensive equipment. Whether you're in the depths of a dark cave or having an urban nighttime adventure, Duovox turns pitch darkness into an impressive day-like image. Camping, hiking, boating, or fishing, Duovox's ultra-fast f/0.9 aperture, 16mm 7-element lens, and AI-powered bionic sensor capture a clear image in 100,000 times less than the light of a single candle. Duovox's built-in security features and dashcam capabilities also make it a perfect surveillance device, keeping you and your loved ones safe. Video streaming, vlogging, or shooting your own nighttime documentaries in the wild from the palm of your hand without the need of a crew or heavy equipment. The possibilities are endless. Capture the unseen world with Duovox-mate-pro. Live now on Kickstarter.
And make it rock, yeah.
me. Yeah, I'm chilling at the top. Ooh, yeah, that's me.
So, if this information has impacted you positively, keep to this channel for quality and reliable information. Kindly subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends. For more details to any product shared or reviewed on this channel, scroll down to the description box to find the link. Thanks for